Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less, we'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and make you better marketers. This week, I talked about creating effective pop-up forms that help you grow your subscriber list. After all, growing your email list is like changing the oil in your car. It keeps it running smoothly and efficiently. So let's spend some time and do a quick recap of the week. When it comes to asking for information on your pop-up, you may want to reconsider asking for nice-to-have information such as birthday, and instead focus on things that will help you immediately send more relevant messages, such as gender or purpose of shopping, like gifting. SMS is a must-have marketing channel. Whether or not you currently have an SMS program, collect mobile numbers now. Remember, it is an opt-in channel, meaning they'll only sign up if they want to. Stylize your forms of branding, such as text, colors, images, and logo. After all, these forms are a part of your site and part of the customer experience. Test other types of email collection forms, such as gamified spin the wheel and exit intent forms. While adding an incentive for signing up can increase collection, don't feel required to do so. Plenty of brands successfully grow their list without an offer. Now, if you do offer one, test it. I've worked with many brands who found smaller discounts actually generated more signups and subsequent orders. Make the pop-up easy to exit out of and test it on multiple browsers and phones. While you're at it, be sure it's ADA compliant. Double check to ensure all contact information is properly being passed to your email provider. It's kind of a big deal. As you can see, we covered a lot in 1 week, and I hope you stayed with me, and I hope you learned something. I hope you're able to find something in this week's tips that help you create a more effective and professional marketing program. Now, I would love to see your pop-ups, so be sure to share them with me. You can find me on Twitter, LinkedIn, or however else you want to internet sleuth me. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Now, next week, I'll be discussing ways to create a revenue-driving welcome series, and it's something you won't want to miss. Until then, happy weekend and happy marketing.